Chevy trucks. And LSX for you, taking a look. Our latest creation. We call her, him, I don't know. It's pretty badass. Black Beauty. Standing here with Ken Poulin, the owner of KOR. He just got done doing the big buff job, sexifying it. What we're looking at right now is a reman 6-liter. It's basically a truck engine. Got the good rectangle port heads on it. It has a VCM 21 cam. You can hear the chop to it. We're going to go back and listen to that. It's awesome. It dynoed it, what, 485 horse at the crank. Almost 400 horse at the rear wheels. It is fun to drive. Let's go around back. You probably won't be able to hear me, but we have a regular exhaust on it with Doug Thorley deletes. Hey Ken, can you give it a little pork? In fact, I don't want to get deafened here. Oh yeah. If you're looking for some excitement this summer, the boring 20s, give us a call. I think we've got the solution. Thanks.